Oh, got one. Nice. On the lipless. Sweet. There we go. First one of the year.
Yep, first one.
Yeah.
No, I'm here. Oh, you got one? You got one?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, told you on the lipless, baby. Say hello to Papa. Keep alive.
That'd be good. First one on the lipless. How red those lips are.
Yeah, look at his belly.
Yep.
Here. Got one? Yes, sir. Look how ready the lips are, dude. Red lip. Hell red? Oh. Red belly.
Number 2 on the lipless. Got him? Another one. Nice.
Look at there, my hooker didn't take one up from my back. Got lucky. Got it. Don't you?
Yep.
Good. I think we going off his bank. Good deal. Well, like a bank,
Oh.
Number three.
Number 3.
Oh, got him, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, it's a nicer one.
Is it? Nope.
I need the.
Oh yeah, baby. Sling him, baby. That's a nice one, buddy. Those were
There we go.
There we go. That's what we come here for. I told you.
Yep.
That's your Timber Ridge man now.
Number 4.
That's a nicer one.
How you think DC's gonna do at Gunnersville?
Got one. Nicer one, same one.
The nicer one.
Does it?
Yep.
He just come up,
Yep.
didn't he? Look how white he is.
Yeah, this one's really pale.
Looks like Casper. Nicer one. Red lip. Or Casper. Got him? Yep. Well, he was in deep, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was a little bit deeper. This one was. This is awful.
Got one. Nice one.
Net.
Nice one.
Net.
Nice one.
It's probably a 3-pounder.
Is it? Oh, it's bigger than 3 pound, Bobby. Just put him over here. I'll get him. Ease him up.
Oh,
Don't flip him. Don't flip him.
there he is.
Now that's what we come here for. That's what we come here for. Spot lock it. You're tanking up in the net. Might as well drop it.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
That is nice. I'm gonna weigh in. Did you spot lock it?
Yeah, spot locked.
Good, we're good.
I mean, he hit like a ton of bricks.
Oh, I'd say. Hang on, get that thing out here.
Right there, folks.
Hey, let's weigh in real quick.
It's probably a 5-pounder.
Oh, easy. Full of eggs, too. Boy, that's a nice one, Jamie. Look at this thing zeroing out.
All right, folks. Just caught maybe my personal best. We're gonna drop him on the scale.
All right. $5.82.
5.82. That's my personal best.
Holy
Right there.
crap, baby. That's full of eggs. Look how pretty she is. Alright, girl. Bye, baby. See ya. Look, going right back to. Didn't you? I told you.
Dude, I'm shaking. That's my personal best. That's almost 6-pounder.
That's almost 6 pounds, baby.
Woo! Dude, that's insane. That is insane. Yeah.
Cast after it. Just think of that. Look what he looks like compared to the other one.
Yeah.
Looks like a midget. Ain't that something? How much different they look?
Next cast.
That one there was fitting the other one. Oh, I missed it. Thanks. The tree comes out there, but I was like, boy, took that thing straight down.
Hey, that's good. We both got a bite.
Man. Gotta cut this thing off. Gotta fight this. Come on.
Hey, that's a nicer one. How about that for the lipless?
Yeah, that's right. There we go. Nicer one.
That one hit out here, didn't it?
Yep.
He must followed it, or.
Nice flop off here, maybe.
Oh, I didn't know I had a fish on there.
There you go.
Thought I had grass or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a nice one. Catfish?
Yes.
No, it ain't. Is it? Yeah, it is.
Ain't it?
No, it's a shad.
I've never caught one of those before.
I seen one of them in here last year. Well, folks, I made it back to the house. We had a great day out on the water, me and my uncle, Odell Outdoors. Make sure you guys go check his channel out. There'll be some videos coming up soon. But I caught my personal best today, 582, and it was just a really good day. We both caught a lot of fish. They're not all in the video. This video would have been too long, but we probably caught 20 fish together. We both caught about the same amount, really. But that lipless crankbait got it done today, and I was using an Abu Garcia Revo SX, I think it is, I believe. 7:3:1 gear ratio. It was a Strike King red eye shad. Not sure the exact color of it. And I was using that 7-foot medium heavy fast action Bass Pro Shops cranking stick that I got the other day, which it actually broke toward the end of the day. My GoPro batteries died, but it broke toward the end of the day, and I have to go, and I'm going to go get a new one. So hopefully the new one's better than the one I got today. I'm thinking it might have just been like a manufacturing issue or something. But I appreciate everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.